Welcome to our final makerspace of the year, MakerLab, Stream MakerLab. We are going to start with this center, and it is feeding animals. So as zookeepers, they can help feed the animals by using the magnetic ramps on the magnet wall. This is a teacher-led station, and you can see there's different containers here. So, for instance, the koala has the green ball. So the balls are over here, and they need to figure out how to get the ramp to make the ball go into the tub in the right place. You can switch the tubs around. There's another extra tub up here. You can use one tub, 3 tubs, whatever. So hopefully they'll have fun with that, trying to figure out how to tilt, how to move the ramps to get it to go to the right place. Here's your vocabulary, cleanup expectations, the lesson plans, scaffolding questions, reflection questions, and the PreK guidelines. The next one is also teacher-led, and this is feeding time. Oh, the other one was move the food. This one's feeding time. So there's a lot of things with this one. It's going to be feeding animals, and you can see there with the vocabulary. There's a lot of the habitats, nocturnal, diurnal, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. We'll be talking about that in the library as well. You have scaffolding questions and the lesson plans as well. So basically, this is a zoo. You can see all the animals here, and they get to be fed. Now, obviously, it would be quite chaotic if they came out of their cages. So they need to stay in the cages, but the students will be able to put their hands through. So each of them has a bowl, and you can see from the labels, you can tell which ones of them are which ones are nocturnal and which ones are diurnal. So that's kind of a fun thing that you can look at with your students. There's also here reports, zookeeper reports, to count how many of each animal there are and circle the animals that they fed. So this is teacher-led, like I said. So the animals eat different things. There's a chart here you can look at, but here are the cards, and you can see the animals. It lists the things that they eat. So there's the zookeeper roll tags and some crayons. Here's our insectarium. They can feed those as well. And then here is all the food. So you have a lot to choose from, and there's not much in each one, just to keep it easy to clean. So the toucan eats fruit, bugs, and frogs. So there's fruit, there's bugs, and there's frogs. So hopefully they'll have fun with that. You can also talk about the omnivore, carnivore, herbivore, if they have flat teeth or sharp teeth or both. And I think that's it for that one. Cleanup expectations. When you get done, make sure they all have their empty bowls ready and that the food is back in place so that the next class that comes in will have it all set up and ready to go. Also, there's our amphibian house and our reptile house. And these are not behind bars. They can be a little more interactive for the students. Just put them back when you're done. All right, then our next one, this is an independent station building houses for animals, and lots of different materials here. So here are the animals that they can use. There's also some felt over here that they can use for water, dirt, or grass. We have some Duplos, some foam blocks, and then just lots of different materials. So you can see they're all labeled here, but if you're not sure, like this one says metal, but it's lids. So there's a regular side, but on the back side, there's a label that shows exactly what's in it, if that helps in cleanup time. So there are your vocabulary words, lesson plan, cleanup expectations, scaffolding, and reflection questions as well. Then, of course, we have books, because what Stream MakerLab doesn't have books. The last one is the veterinarian and, well, taking care of animals. So there's 2 parts to it, being the veterinarian or the groomer. And here you can see vocabulary, examine, check up x-ray, bones, healthy scale, and there's roll tags as well here. Here is a scale, a little checklist they can use to guide their checkup, and a little vet checkup paper. And for the customer, patient information, and then there's supplies and things like that in there. And then we have our x-rays. So this tub has x-rays in it, and this tub has the matching picture, the actual picture. So that's an activity they can do and talk about what the different animals look like. how they're the same and different. And here are all the animals for the vet. There's a lot of dogs. I don't know why, but there should be plenty to work with there. And then the grooming side of it is right here. And they can do a checklist, make sure that they have washed and dried and brushed and all of those good things. So there's a little tub and the grooming supplies that they need as well. There's roll tags down here for the customer, a little purse and wallet for the customer too, got some money inside. And I think that's it. I hope that everybody has lots of fun. Oh, in the yellow bucket there are the lesson plans. And also, don't forget to take pictures with the iPad. That'd be awesome. So have fun and happy jungling.